Celebrations by Samajwadi Party workers in its Lucknow office and TRS workers in its Hyderabad office indicate how the two regional parties have put up a good show in the states where they hold sway. SP retained the Mainpuri Lok Sabha seat, BJP comfortably sailed through in Vadodara parliamentary by poll, and TRS consolidated its gains in Telangana by retaining the Medak Lok Sabha seat. SP candidate Mulayam Singh Yadav's grandnephew Tej Pratap Singh won the Mainpuri Lok Sabha by poll, defeating his nearest rival of the BJP by a margin of over 3.21 lakh votes and continuing the party's two-decade-long dominance on the traditional turf of the party supremo. TRS registered a thumping victory in the Medak Lok Sabha by poll in Telangana, defeating its nearest Congress rival by a margin of over 3.61 lakh votes. The BJP too retained the Vadodara Lok Sabha seat vacated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, although with a reduced margin. By-polls were held on 33 assembly seats in 10 states on the 13th of September, out of which results for 32 seats in 9 states were declared on Tuesday. Counting of votes for the Antagad Assembly by-poll in Chhattisgarh will take place on the 20th of September. The contest in UP was riveting, where BSP's absence from the fray virtually made it a triangular fight between the BJP, SP and the Congress on 11 assembly seats. After a near total sweep in Lok Sabha polls in UP, BJP couldn't repeat its spectacular performance in the state. While the SP bagged 8 assembly seats, the BJP won 3. SP won Bijnor, Thakurdwar, Nikhasan, Hamirpur, Charkhadi, Balha, Siratu and Rohania assembly seats. BJP lost 7 of the 10 seats held by it as well as the one belonging to its ally Apna-Dal to the ruling SP and posted wins in 3 assembly constituencies of Saharanpur, Nagar, Lucknow East and Noida. BSP didn't contest the by-polls in UP. Congress and SP contested on 11 seats each. The BJP contested on 10 seats while its ally Apna-Dal fielded 1 candidate. BJP faced its worst disappointment in Rajasthan, where the Congress wrested 3 out of the 4 seats, with the BJP retaining only 1 seat. BJP's Sandeep Sharma retained the Kota seat with a margin of more than 25,000 votes. The Congress won Nasirabad and Surajgarh with wafer-thin margins of 386 votes and 3,271 votes respectively. It also won the Ware Assembly seat in Rajasthan. While the by-poll results were a boost for the Congress and the SP, the BJP accepted the verdict of the people, saying introspection was needed.
उपचुनाव के नतीजे एक बहुत स्थानीय होते हैं और उसको उसी नजरिए से देखना चाहिए। उसमें से तुरंत यह अर्थ निकालना कि मोदी जी की या बीजेपी का समर्थन कम हो रहा है, वेव कम हो रहा है, वो गलत तो साबित होगा। आने दो, महाराष्ट्र और हरियाणा के चुनाव दिखा देंगे दम, और इसलिए उपचुनाव को नतीजों को उसी मात्रा में देखना चाहिए।
हम आभार प्रकटेंगे जनता का कि जनता ने ऐसे वक्त पे समाजवादियों की मदद की है और जिस रास्ते पे समाजवादी पार्टी उत्तर प्रदेश को ले जाना चाहती है, और पहले दिन से समाजवादी पार्टी ने कोशिश की है कि विकास और खुशहाली का रास्ता अपनाएं।
ये रिजल्ट निश्चित रूप से कांग्रेस पार्टी को भी के लिए भी और हम समझते हैं देश के लिए भी, अन्य जो पार्टियां जीती हैं उनके लिए भी एक अच्छा संकेत है।
The by-poll result may have been a setback for the BJP, but the party is confident of making a strong comeback in the upcoming polls in Haryana and Maharashtra. Newsnight Desk, DD News.